In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mail merge in Outlook. If you want to send the same message to multiple people while still keeping the process organized and efficient, mail merge is a great tool to know. It helps you prepare a message format that can be used for a larger group, which is especially useful for announcements, outreach, updates, or any situation where you need to contact several recipients in a structured way. To get started, open Outlook and look for the New button. Go ahead and click New to begin creating a fresh item. This is the starting point for setting up the message you want to work with. If you don't already have a draft open, this is the quickest way to begin from a clean slate. After that, click on Mail. This makes sure you're creating an email rather than another kind of Outlook item. Outlook includes different tools for different types of communication and scheduling, so choosing Mail here keeps you focused on building the message that will be used in your mail merge. Once the email window is open, move to the Options section. Click on Options to access additional settings and advanced features related to your message. This area is where Outlook keeps tools that go beyond basic composing. So if you don't immediately see mail merge in the main message area, Options is the right place to look. From there, click Start Mail Merge. This is the setting that launches the mail merge process and connects your email with the broader mail merge workflow. In practical terms, this is the point where Outlook begins preparing your message so it can be used for multiple recipients more efficiently. As you work through this, it's a good idea to make sure your email content is clear and polished before sending anything out. Even though mail merge is designed to save time, it's still worth reviewing your message carefully so the formatting, wording, and subject line all look the way you want. A clean, professional message will always make a better impression. And that's it. The process begins by creating a new item, choosing Mail, opening the Options menu, and then selecting Start Mail Merge. Once you know where these controls are, setting things up becomes much easier the next time you need to send a message in bulk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.